Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing, look and review at the SACLIGHTING deformable light. So let's open it up and take a look. So pretty beautiful. It's easy to turn these things if you want to get some extra light in your garage. This is definitely a great way to do it. Now, my current garage situation is I'm using the the base of it as an outlet. So I need an extension. So I picked up some of these E2627 extensions, and you can always find adapters online, but this is just make it a little bit higher. Might not end up needing these, but either way, let's hook it up and see how much light we can get with this. Yeah, so my current garage light situation is I have one of these bases that has the grounded E26, E27, and I'm using a 3-prong adapter. So I'm not sure if this will hang low enough, so that's why I got the adapter. I got going the MyQ Smart Garage door, and the builder didn't put an outlet up here. So it's a quick way to add an outlet in the ceiling of a garage. But let's hook up the light. So I definitely did need the adapter. It was easy to install, and it literally lit up like all of the garage. It's hard to tell, but I can't believe how much light it lets in and how much light my garage was missing, and now it has. These side things are really easy to point in the different directions that you need, and I couldn't recommend these products more. They look kind of funny, but trust me, it's well worth the functional experience to get more light in your garage. Hope you have a great day.